right, guys, that wraps up this section on real estate. There are a lot of directions we can go, but I wanted to, again, more than anything, help you understand what goes into it and really understand some of the subtleties that we always hear real estate so great and everybody should own real estate, but there are a ton of subtleties within that. So some of the main takeaways here. What are you aiming to achieve when you invest in real estate, right? What is your aim? Do you want cash flow? That seems to be the primary objective for most real estate investors. Well, then you better focus on getting the best cash flow possible for your money. That might mean investing in a completely different area, like different part of the country, right? It could mean doing short-term rentals versus long-term rentals. It could mean all types of things, right? Do you want to operate a business in real estate, or do you want real estate as an investment, right? That also is going to change your strategy a whole lot, right? I just saw somebody, they wanted to fix and flip a home. So they bought the house, they did all the math, all the work, and they bought the house, did the renovations, and they spent 6 months on it. At the end of 6 months, they ended up selling, and they broke even exactly, okay? No profit at all. So they spent 6 months of time and broke even exactly, okay? Is that something you want to pursue? Obviously, nobody wants to break even, right? And they had unexpected things come up in the renovation, added cost and time and things like that. So do you want to operate a business, or are you looking to invest? And if you're looking to invest because you want cash flow, do you want to spend more time in that, right? A lot of people, so many people that I speak with or clients that I work with want to get into real estate investing, but when they think about it, they actually don't want to spend any time on it. They work hard at their jobs to earn good income, and they don't want to spend all of the rest of their time managing real estate. They actually would like to see their family once in a while, right? And like be free to go on a vacation. And so sometimes we have a glamorized idea of it. There is truly passive real estate investments out there. And we've talked about a lot of those methods. You just have to understand what you're getting yourself into. What do you want out of this? You know, are you willing to do what it takes to make that strategy successful? Okay. So again, I want to tie this back to our plan, right? What is it? What kind of life do you want to create for yourself? What does that look like? What do you spend your time doing? Maybe initially you're spending a lot more time on it, right? If you don't have capital and you have time, then you spend your time, right? But after a while, maybe you get out of it and you spend less of your time doing it, okay? Totally viable strategy, right? It's not like we can spend zero time doing stuff unless you have a lot of capital. If you earn a lot of capital, then you can really go right into passive investing. If you don't have a lot of capital, like I said, but you have time, maybe you go buy your own properties. Maybe you house hack, and that's how you get in. Maybe you get investor money, but you spend the time to find the deal, to manage it, right? And put all the pieces in place. So that is, it's important to think about, important to factor into the plan. And as you're deciding, hey, what is my pathway for building wealth? Is it going to be real estate, stocks, business ownership? Understand where real estate fits in and what strategy you're going to pursue and you're going to dive into, and make sure it fits within that plan and your lifestyle goals and your values. All right. Okay. Awesome, guys. You made it through. This was a lot of stuff. I'm proud of you guys. You're making it great progress, and we will see you guys in the next section.
Don't just watch, subscribe, and start applying this in your own life.